Hello and welcome to DAV Moyle Public School. Let's begin an online session of Standard 7th Mathematics with your teacher Mrs. Vandana Ghagre. Dear students, today in the lesson Unit 4 Exponents and Power, we will see the remaining laws of exponent, that is last laws, that is 6th and 7th law of the exponents. See here, law 6th. If x and y are the two rational numbers and m is any integer, then x into y whole raised to the power m, here the bases are different and power is same. So we can write down these numbers as x raised to m into y raised to m. Means we can write down the separate powers for each numbers though the bases are different. The same rule is applicable for the division of the rational numbers. So that is the law 7th. If x and y are two rational numbers and y not equal to 0 and m is any integer, then x upon y whole raised to the power m equals to x raised to m divided by y raised to m. So individually we can write the powers if the bases are different, whether it is a multiplication or it is a division. So let us solve some problems which are based on this. See here, 2 raised to 3 into 3 raised to 3 is equal to what? According to the law, it is 2 into 3 whole raised to the power 3. Let's verify it whether it is correct or not. 2 raised to 3 means how many times 2? 3 times. And 3 raised to 3 means again 3 times 3. So when you multiply these two numbers, you will get 8 into 27, that equals to 216. Now take the RHS. The RHS is what? RHS is 2 into 3 raised to the power 3. That means 6 raised to 3. 6 raised to 3 means what? 6 cube, and that equals to 216. So in both the case, whether you solve it by the long way or you use the simple law, you can see both the answers are equal. So instead of solving, we can use the law. Now see the law for the division, that is 7th law. Now we will check whether these, according to the law, whether these two numbers are equal or not. So 2 raised to 4 divided by minus 3 raised to 4. How you will write it? We will write this as 2 4 times divided by 3 4 times. So this gives you 16 upon 81, because nothing gets cancelled here. 2 and 3 nothing is common, so nothing gets cancelled. The number is as it is. Now we will take the overall power of 4. So see here, we can write down minus 2 upon 3 4 times, and then we will take the multiplication of numerator and the multiplication of denominator. So again in this case, according to the law 7, we can see both the numbers. Now see here, 2 upon 3 raised to the power 4 multiplied by 3 upon 5 raised to the power 4. Now here the bases are different and the powers are equal. So what we will do? We will take out this power common as it is a common number, and then we will write down the base as it is, and multiplication sign is there. Numerator and denominator, that is 3, gets cancelled. So it is a simple number 2 upon 5 raised to the power 4. And 2 upon 5 raised to the power 4 means what? It is 16 upon 625. So in this way, in the simple way, we can use the law and find the value of the given. See here the division. 4 upon 5 divided by 6 upon 5, both have the same power, that is 2. So we will take out the power 2 as common, and we will write 4 upon 5 divided by 6 upon 5. But we all are aware that division of the rational number by this method is not possible. So what we have to do? We will convert that sign to multiplication. While converting the division sign into multiplication, we have to take the reciprocal of this 6 upon 5. So reciprocal of 6 upon 5 is what? Reciprocal of 6 upon 5 is 5 by 6. Now see here, again these two questions are become same. If you will see the compare the steps, these two steps of first and second questions now become same. Now again here what gets cancel? 5 and 5 gets cancel. 4 upon 6, again it is divisible by 2. So this is 2 and 6 divisible by again 2. So it comes 3. So here 2 upon 3 whole raised to 2 means your final answer is 4 by 9. So in this way we can solve the problems. So dear students, here is a small assignment based on the law 6th and law 7th, which is based on the multiplication and division, but with the different bases and powers are equal. So try to solve this. If not possible for you, send me queries on the WhatsApp. I will send you the solutions of that problem. Thank you students. Have a nice day.